I've been treated like a criminal. Words so often heard from people who have been victim of discrimination or have had to consider themselves constructively dismissed because they feel that they have no choice but to resign based on their employer's behaviour. This particular case is one of a Catholic employee who had claimed constructive unfair dismissal and religious discrimination because she was allegedly harassed and victimized for wearing a cross necklace. She was a nurse and she used to work at Croydon University Hospital, and she was a theatre practitioner. Now, Mrs. Onuoha is her name, and she had brought a claim against the hospital because, unlike any of our other colleagues from various other religious sects who may have worn hijabs or bracelets or otherwise, she was repeatedly told to remove her necklace, her cross necklace. She was also repeatedly told throughout the years from 2014 rather onwards, that she had to either put it within her clothing or remove it. The difficulty here is that there were plenty of other colleagues who openly wore jewellery, including necklaces, who had no issue from the university. Yet Mrs. Onuoha was targeted in particular for this. Now, she argued that the trust had breached her right to religion under Article 9 of the European Convention of Human Rights, and her treatment indeed was religious discrimination, harassment and victimization under the Equality Act. The tribunal ruled in her favour and found that she was indeed discriminated against and she was unfairly, well, constructively dismissed. And the importance of this particular case is that this is someone who had been wearing this religious ornament for uh, over 40 years. And she had been with the trust for some 13 odd years or so, plus, in fact, before the trust had begun bringing up the issue of her necklace. There are Christians or otherwise who may be in positions where their work are asking them to remove certain religious clothing or crosses or otherwise. Part of the importance here is that there ought not to be any unfavourable treatment in comparison to others, and that's where this employer fell foul. Hopefully this case has been of some assistance to you. You may believe that you are in this particular position or feel that you are being discriminated against in some way, shape or form. You're welcome to get in touch. Last thing that I would want you to feel is like a criminal, so let's make things right.